In this video, I'll go over the 6 steps that you need to take to activate your Santander debit card from within the app. So make sure that you watch until the end and follow each step. So first, obviously, you will need to log in through the Santander app, and if you don't have it yet, just go and download it and sign into your account, and then navigate to your card overview, and this section typically shows your available cards and their details. Then from there, go and select the debit card that you want to activate and look for the activation options. So you should see a button or text like start using or activate card. Then from there, simply follow the prompts. So the app may require you to enter a security code or provide additional information to complete the activation. From there, just go and confirm the activation, and once the process is complete, you should see confirmation that your card is now active and ready to use. So if you want to do it on your phone, but you cannot figure it out in the mobile app, you could also still go to the Santander website on your phone and try it from there. So now you know how to activate the Santander debit card from the app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.